New year, new you. It's the time of the year where we start our body work. And I know that you want to reactivate the body after being sitting maybe for a bit of time during the Christmas holidays. So today we are going to work on a very gentle cardio to reactivate the body, get it moving again, getting rid of all the yucky things that we've been filling out our body with for the whole Christmas time, and really moving forward with our new year. That's why at the end of this month I will have put together a 3-day complete beginners ballet work. We're gonna be together for 3 days, and by the way, we're gonna start from scratch. We're gonna be dancing together. We're gonna learn about ballet and how to dance freely, because I want you to dance. I want you to learn what ballet can do for you, and I want you to work the body to shape it the most beautiful ballerina way, and it's completely free. The only thing that you need to do is to sign up today with the link in the description box below. We are going to really start this ballerina journey together. I can't wait to see you there. But if you're ready to really sweat it, really work the body right here, right now, let's work this cardio out together. All right, let's start putting a little bit of zing into our first time of the year. And we're gonna go push and pop the heel with a nice plie. Nice and easy-ish to warm up. Now we go and plie, pop the heel. Plie, pop the heel. Good to move the body around, really feeling the stretching, really feeling the body reactivating. And go. Again. Breathe. So good to be moving. And keep on going. And brush. And keep the popo going down, not out. It's only the body that really moves side to side. Good. And last 2. We go from the side. We go side, plant the heel. We're gonna go push and in. Other way, out, push and here, out, push and here. A little bit balancini way, yeah? A little bit neoclassical. Very good, see? You're already moving your body in ways you know is possible, but is allowed. And in, and again. And breathe. Push the hips forward. Push the hips forward. Good. Nice. So we get a little bit of stretch as well. And breathe. Go to second position. We're going to do the pushy. Push it like we did before with a little bend of the body, opening the chest to the ceiling. Good. Very nice. Breathe. And up. See? We don't need to do many things to get our heart rate up. It's how we do them. And push. And push. Push. Very good. Couple more. And out. Down. Close. We go back into the out. Push. And now. So it's good for the ankle stability too. So many things working in one exercise. Good. And breathe. And breathe. So it's getting a bit more washy-wash and exciting. And breathe. And push. Last one. Breathe. Good. One leg behind. We're going into curtsy. Up. From here we push aside. Like literally push aside. Very good. And 2. push aside with a twist, down. So we work on our abdominals, digestion, and everything. Reactivating the body in every single way. Out. And push. Good. Change. Other way. We go curtsy. Arms up. And push. And curtsy. Arms up. Push. And down. Up. Push. Nice. Couple more. Push. And down. And push. Back into the center. Again, other way. 1. And push. And 1. And push. Good. 1. And push. And down. And push. Other way. Down. Push a wall. Down. Push a wall. Down. Push a ball as well. And twist. And push back in. Shake your legs. Very good. From here, we're going to go little gallop. And from here, we're going to lean. Little gallop. Lean. Little gallop. Lean. Little gallop. Lean. Good. Lean. And few more. Very nice. And go. And go. And go. And go. Again. Go. And go. And out. And out. Come back to center. Breathe. Leg up. Leg up. Very nice. Good. Out. Out. Up. Up. Few more. We're gonna be ready for gallop again. Gallop. Hello, plant. And out. And plant. And out again. And out. Really lean. Come on, don't leave me hanging, literally. And out. And out. Few more. And out. And out. And out. Back to center. Good. Legs up. In attitude. In the front. Show me those cup of teas. Very good. And breathe. And breathe. It's just to catch your breath. Nice. Breathe. 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 To finish off, get back into your curtsy, and we're going to go small, little swan lake arms, and we're going to go up and up and up. Big, and again, small, bigger, bigger, huge, change. Small, small, big, biggest, small, big, bigger, huge. Other way, again. 1, 2, 3, massive. And up. 2, 3, massive. Other way. Last time we do this. Up, up, more, more. Let's finish off with a little jumpy jump. Out to the side, out to the side, out to the side. Wee, and out. Ready, point that foot, point that foot, point that foot, otherwise we don't grow. And go. Come on, long legs. More. And come back to center. Arm up, arm up. Breathe. Come on, almost there, almost there. Big arms, higher legs. Come on, you can do it. One, push, push, and here we go. Beautifully done.